Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to order from Temu in India. So first go to the Temu website and make sure you're logged in. Now at the top right corner of the page, click on the country flag. Next, click on change country region. Now scroll through the list and try to find India. If you can't find India, no worries, just choose another country like Australia and then click on switch to Australia and the website will change to show Australian prices and products. Now go back to homepage and pick the product that you want. Click on add to cart and then go to your cart to place the order. And now you'll need to enter your shipping address. Even if the site is showing Australia, you can still type India as your country when filling in your address. So add your street address, zip code, and city name like Chennai or Mumbai. Then click save and continue to check out. And that's it. That's how you order from Temu in India, even if India isn't listed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.